Rio de Janeiro, known as the Marvelous City, is a stunning place between mountains and the ocean. It is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks, like the Christ the Redeemer statue and the beautiful Copacabana beach. Rio is also famous for its culture, with samba music and soccer being a big part of life. Visitors can relax on Ipanema Beach, hike through Tijuca National Park, take a cable car to Sugarloaf Mountain, Pau or explore the city's unique neighborhoods. There's always something exciting to see and do in this vibrant Brazilian city. In this video, we will explore the 10 best places to visit in Rio de Janeiro. But before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Standing tall over Rio de Janeiro, the famous Christ the Redeemer statue sits on Corcovado Mountain at 2,300 feet. Unveiled in 1931, this massive statue of Jesus Christ is one of Brazil's most famous landmarks. In 2007, it was named one of the new 7 Wonders of the World. The statue offers breathtaking views of the city and beyond, making it a must-visit spot. People from all over the world come to see this incredible monument, which symbolizes peace and faith. Its arms are open wide, as if embracing Rio, adding to its beauty and importance. The Selarón Steps in Rio de Janeiro are one of the city's most colorful and famous landmarks. Decorated with over 2,000 bright tiles in the colors of the Brazilian flag, these beautiful steps stand out with their unique design. They were created by artist Jorge Selarón as a tribute to Brazil. The steps connect the lively Lapa neighborhood to the charming Santa Teresa area, making them a popular spot for visitors. With their bold colors and artistic touch, the Selarón Steps have become a symbol of Rio's creativity and culture, attracting people from all over the world. Rio de Janeiro is called the Marvelous City, and a visit to Sugarloaf Mountain shows why. Standing 1,300 feet high, this famous peak offers breathtaking views of the city. From the top, you can see the golden beaches of Ipanema and Copacabana, the lush Tijuca forest, and the towering Christ the Redeemer statue on Corcovado Mountain to the west. The sight of Rio from above is truly unforgettable, with its mix of nature and city life. Visitors take a cable car to the summit, where they can admire the beauty of this incredible place. Santa Teresa is a charming district near the center of Rio de Janeiro, known for its cobbled streets and unique atmosphere. Once an upper-class neighborhood, it has transformed into a lively artistic hub. Today, it is famous for its bohemian vibe, with cozy cafes, art galleries, and colorful murals decorating the area. Visitors love exploring its historic streets, enjoying the creative energy, and meeting local artists. Santa Teresa offers a mix of old-world charm and modern creativity, making it a must-visit spot for anyone looking to experience the artistic heart of Rio de Janeiro. The Rio de Janeiro Cathedral is a tall, cone-shaped building that looks very different from a traditional church. Built between 1964 and 1979 by architect Edgar Fonseca, Its modern design makes it one of the city's most unique landmarks. This important religious site is dedicated to Saint Sebastian, the patron saint of Rio de Janeiro. Inside, visitors can admire its impressive stained glass windows and peaceful atmosphere. The cathedral is a must-see for those interested in architecture and history, offering a special glimpse into Rio's spiritual and cultural heritage. Sao Conrado Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in Rio de Janeiro. It has the same soft white sand, big waves, and stunning views as Ipanema, but with fewer crowds. This makes it a perfect place for people who want to relax by the ocean. The beach is located in the high-end Sao Conrado neighborhood, one of the most expensive areas in the city. Here, visitors can enjoy peaceful walks, sunbathing, and water sports. With its breathtaking scenery and calm atmosphere, Sao Conrado Beach is a great spot for both locals and tourists looking for a quiet escape. Copacabana Beach is one of the most famous beaches in the world. It is known for its soft white sand, lively atmosphere, and people playing volleyball under the sun. Tourists and locals enjoy sipping fresh coconut water from bright green coconuts while relaxing by the ocean. As night falls, the beach comes alive with music and celebrations. With its mix of fun, culture, and beauty, Copacabana is a must-visit spot. The beach perfectly captures the energy of Rio, making it a favorite place for visitors looking to experience the city's vibrant beach life. Before the 19th century, Rio de Janeiro was surrounded by a vast Atlantic rainforest. Today, the only remaining part is Tijuca National Park, a 13-square-mile jungle. This is the world's largest urban forest, filled with tall tropical trees covered in vines. It is home to ocelots, howler monkeys, over 300 bird species, and beautiful waterfalls. One of Rio's most famous landmarks, the Christ the Redeemer statue, stands on Corcovado Mountain inside the park. Tijuca National Park is a perfect place to explore nature in the heart of the city. Maracana Stadium is one of South America's most famous soccer stadiums. Built for the 1950 World Cup, it set a record for the largest crowd at a World Cup final, with 199,854 fans in attendance. The stadium hosted another World Cup final in 2014 and was also a key venue for the 2016 Rio Olympic Games. Officially named Mario Filho Stadium, it is commonly called Maracana after a nearby river. Today, it stands as a historic landmark, remembering its past as a world-class sports and event venue. Maracana remains a symbol of Brazil's love for soccer and major global events. The Sambadrome in Rio de Janeiro is a special stadium built for the city's famous Carnaval celebrations. Designed by Brazilian architect Oscar Niemeyer in 1984, it is also called Sambadrome or Passarela do Samba Darcy Ribeiro. The stadium has a long 2,300-foot runway where samba schools perform their colorful parades. It can hold up to 90,000 spectators who come to enjoy the music, dancing, and bright costumes. Every year, the Sambadrome becomes the heart of Rio's Carnival, making it one of the most exciting places to visit in the city.